Actually, that worked. It didn't slide out of my hand yet. Does Olivia have any holes yet? Nope. It's so small, bro. So wimpy. Like, you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. I watched, you watched that and you're asking about the angel. Look into how the angel actually mounts. There is no force keeping the plate down, right? And if you hit something super hard, whether it be your table or a plate or whatever, that thing is gonna rebound. And I had multiple people that owned the original keyboard where that mounting was first implemented, and they did say that it is a thing, but you have to hit it really fucking hard. So, you have to be a super heavy typist for it to matter. It probably doesn't matter, but it is a thing to keep in mind. Oh, it's already doing it where it's fucking sliding out of my hand. I lost the silicone from my engineer. Where do I get more? Just buy a tube, like a long tube, and just cut it. Hello. Hello. What are we doing today? We are rebuilding my Jane CE with a carbon fiber plate because this FR4 full plate feels like dicks. And not in the good way. Why aren't you using the big boy? Because Gilbert said so. Please direct all of your hatred towards Gilbert. What soldering iron do I recommend? My $15 one is giving away with heating irregularly. Exclamation YouTube. I have like the beginner soldering guide, but I spend like 10 minutes going through like all the gear, all the levels of gear. This is like an $18 Amazon iron and it's fine. It works. How did I clean the solder residue inside the pump? Also, literally in that same video, I show you how to do that. Look at me go. Fucking planning ahead. The TLDR is you just remove the tip. The tip just pops right off and then you empty it. I'll do it in a little bit when I have to clean this one. Which I think is right now. Fuck it, we'll do it now. Okay. Probably none of this is going to be in focus, but in this one, the tip just pops off. You don't have to unscrew it. So what you do is you push down the hammer really hard until the front comes off. Like that. So now the front has come off. I do this. I do this. I put the tip through the other way, just to like clear out the nostril, right? And then I close it. There we go. Looks like the big one expels the solder better than the small one. I saw you pulling it out a lot more on the small one. Yeah. I mean, this is very large, so you've got a very large amount of air that sucks and blows, which is great. It's very good at sucking. Very good at sucking. Top 10 sucks of 2021. So many innuendos. That's the content everyone comes here for. Simon show tea. I'm not drinking tea, I'm drinking wine. How are you doing? Oh, good, duh. How are you doing? How is everybody doing? I think I'm at 380 currently, so I am way warmer than you should be. But, you know, you only live once. And I trust this PCB to not die on me, so I don't mind going hot. Like, I would go 420 with this if I had to. It's a very safe PCB to work with. It's perfect for idiots like me. You would go 420, wouldn't you? I would. You got me. Fucking graze it. How do you do 420 in Dubai? You don't. Legally, at least. And also, illegally, it's not worth it because it's dog shit quality. Dubai feds in the chat? They're everywhere, dude. It's like it's a very commonplace joke here. So the secret, like the secret police here is called the CID, and if anybody online asks any type of like somewhat illegal question, the default response is "Nice try, CID." Kiss the gator, please. There has been no gator kissing redeemed. You need to do exclamation redeem kiss. Come on. There we go. Alright, 2 switches and then I kiss the gator. God, my roommate is really angry at his video games right now. He is not having a good time. Watch the feds pull up in Lambos? I bet they would. I bet they fucking would. Alright, all set. Everyone kisses their own gator now? Yes, but it's not the same. It's not the same. This is the original Ron, the cute original Ron who's been with me for so long. And I am the original Simon that kisses the original Ron very beautifully, like this. Mwah. Mwah. Where do we get one? They are actually available for sale currently, on Novel Keys. Have I been to a cricket game? Nah. Nah, cricket confuses the fuck out of me. Ah. If you ever come to Australia, I'm making you kiss my Ron, bro. I'll kiss all the Rons. I don't think curling is a thing here. Like yeah. I don't think there's sand curling. Oh, don't worry. The Rons have been out of stock for like the past 2 years. Only with the aid of my constant harassment were they restocked. Sand hockey would be lit? Yeah, you would be lit fucking 50 degrees outdoors with like 200% humidity. Elvin gets it. Oh, excuse me. Sandboarding does sound lit. Only because I like snowboarding, so. Yeah, Dubai is disgustingly humid. It's kind of terrible. You think you'll get used to it after like 5-6 years, but nope, it's still fucking terrible. Can you explain why the Iron 165 is bad? This